All right, diggity dogs, let's do another break. Let's do another wrestling break. What I got here is a blaster box of 2022 Panini Select WWE cards. Third rip of the day, however, second wrestling break of the day. Again, another short one. What are we talking about here? 6 packs, 4 cards per pack. I have opened up these cards before, that much I know. Roman Reigns, Maurice, Carmelo Hayes, and and Aaliyah. This is... I know this is a variant of some kind. Not a zebra. Let's just say a Prizm variant. But a nice way to start things off. Butch, Jinder Mahal, Tony D'Angelo, and a Randy Orton orange Prizm. Sasha Banks, The Boss, Liv Morgan, Alba Fire, and The Miz. I don't know. It's been a minute since I followed wrestling. Has Sasha Banks resolved her issues with the upper brass of the WWE? Somebody can fill me in. I met her at an autograph signing. It was in 2018. Macho Man Randy Savage, The Great Khali, Oliver Carter, Global Icons, Bret the Hitman Hart. I also met him in 2018. Got a chance to get his autograph. Io Shirai, Edge, Braun Breaker, and Drew McIntyre, orange flash Prizm. Joe Gacy, The Great Goldberg, Xavier Woods, and Dave Mastiff. All right, another quick blaster box break. I hope you enjoyed that. Be sure to hit like and subscribe, and I will see you again in a few hours. Just wanted to add that this is an elephant Prizm hit. I looked it up. These are quite rare, so this is considered a big hit. I knew it wasn't a zebra Prizm. I have pulled those before, but this is an elephant Prizm, parallel of Aaliyah. Thanks again for watching.